Fhíorálainn Truly. In this video we're going to be looking at this word here, mulla. Mulla is the Irish word for compliment. So I'm going to show you a few different ways you can tell somebody that they look beautiful or that they are very good looking. There are a number of different words you could use to describe somebody as being beautiful or lovely looking. For example, doigúil is good looking. Ling similarly means to look lovely or that something is lovely, ling. And dahul, the same, good looking or handsome. So if a man was tall, dark and handsome, as Gaeilge that would be ord, dubh agus dahul. Ord, dubh agus dahul. Tall, dark and handsome. And if you wanted to say he is damn good looking or he is flipping good looking, tá sé demanta dahul. Tá sé demanta dahul. If you just wanted to say to somebody, you look beautiful, or you are beautiful, you could say the following. Tá tú ag brathnú go hálainn. Tá tú ag brathnú go hálainn. And if you wanted to say, you look truly beautiful tonight, you could say, Tá cuma fhíorálainn ort anocht. Tá cuma fhíorálainn ort anocht. You look truly beautiful or stunning tonight. She is the most beautiful woman alive. Is í an bhean is áile ar grim ná talúni. Is í an bhean is áile ar grim ná talúni. She is the most beautiful woman alive. And if you were the recipient of a compliment, you could say this. Glacigh mé leis sin mar mulla. I'll take that as a compliment. Glacigh mé leis sin mar mulla. Okay, that brings us to the end of this Irish language video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button where you can get more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. Tóg go bogé agus slán go fóill. Take it easy and bye for now.